Hey crew, today's video will be a triple chocolate pound cake. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have eggs, unsalted butter, sea salt, buttermilk, pure vanilla extract, baking cocoa powder, baking powder, water, coffee, cake flour, and sugar. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our triple chocolate pound cake. So we're going to get into how to make a triple chocolate pound cake. This triple chocolate pound cake recipe will be very easy and straight to the point. So easy, anybody can do it. So we're going to jump into our dry ingredients first. We have cake flour, sea salt, baking powder, and baking cocoa powder. So we're going to go in with 2 cups of cake flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and we're gonna sift it together. Okay, so we're about to sift our cake flour with our unsweetened cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. Alright, so that's our dry ingredients. We're about to move on to creaming our butter and our sugar together. Alright crew, so we're about to move on to the wet part of our mixture for our triple chocolate pound cake. We're gonna go in with 3 sticks of unsalted butter that is room temperature. Alright, so we're gonna cream this together. Alright, so we have our buttercream. It's light and fluffy. Now we're going to add our sugar into the mix. Alright, so we allowed our sugar and our butter to cream together. Now we're going to go in with 5 large eggs, 1 egg at a time.
You better start moving and
Alright, so we have our eggs mixed in. Now we're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Just dance. Come on, just dance. When the heat gets too hard to handle.
Alright, crew, so we have our vanilla extract mixed in. Now we're gonna go in with our dry ingredients, which will be our cake flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. We sift that together, and we're gonna alternate between 1 cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of coffee. Y'all gonna say, hey, coffee. Yes, we're gonna add coffee into the mixture. Coffee adds that extra richness, flavor from the chocolate into our cake, and we want that extra hint of chocolate flavor. You know what I mean? So we're gonna add coffee and buttermilk. Alright, crew, like I said, we're gonna move on to the next part. So we have our wet right here. We have our 1 cup of buttermilk, and right here we have 1/4 cup of coffee. It has 1/4 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of coffee. And shout out to my brother for the cup, cooking and vibing with tea. If y'all don't watch his channel, go over and subscribe to his channel. So we have our dry ingredients here. We're gonna start by pouring some in. We're gonna mix it, then we're gonna alternate between the buttermilk and the coffee and the dry ingredients. Alright, so we have all our dry ingredients and wet ingredients in there. I'm going to clean up this mess, take this off, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, crew, so we back. We have our bundt pan, our cake mixture, and we have baker's joy. It's been a journey so far, getting into how to make a triple chocolate pound cake, but hey, we still actively going into this recipe. So we're gonna spray this with baker's joy, and then we're gonna put our pound cake batter into our bundt pan. And any overspray we're gonna wipe out. Alright, so now we're gonna add our cake. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven at 325 degrees for 60 to 80 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Alright, crew, so our triple chocolate pound cake has finished baking, and we baked it for 75 minutes at 325 degrees. We're going to remove it out the oven and put it on our cooling rack and allow it to completely cool off before we remove it out the pan. So I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up before we take it out of our bunnet pan.
And maybe we can't get any higher. But if you like to take a ride, we can discover what we're hiding. Maybe you set my soul on fire every morning and every evening. Ooh. And maybe we can't get any higher. But if you like to take a ride, we can discover what we're hiding.
Alright crew, so we have our triple chocolate pound cake out of our pan and on our plate. We about to dress it up. We're gonna add some premium chocolate sauce and semi-sweet chocolate chips on top.
Baby, you set my soul on fire. Ooh. And maybe we can't get any higher. Yeah.
Alright, so there we have it, our triple chocolate pound cake. Alright y'all, so y'all know what time it is. It's time for Queen to do the famous taste test. And she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion like always. So let's get into it, baby. This is our triple chocolate pound cake.
Hey y'all. Now let me tell y'all this. I love chocolate cake. It's my favorite. But I have never had chocolate pound cake. So this gonna be something new for me. And this is what, triple chocolate? It's so moist, it's just falling apart on me. That's good. That's a good thing. You want that. Okay. Let me taste the top. Ain't my fault. Huh? What's that inside there?
Oh yeah, she was.
Yeah, it's real. Okay. It's rich, but it ain't sweet. Like, you know. And it's moist. It tastes kind of like a brownie in a cake, if that's possible. Like a brownie cake. That's what it tastes like. It's really good. Yeah.
Like it?
It does. It tastes like a brownie. Like if you have sorry, y'all, if you ever mixed it like between a fudge brownie cake and a chocolate cake, it tastes really good. And with it being a pound cake, you would think it'll be like sweet, but it's not sweet like that. Like the richness comes from the chocolate of it.
And then the coffee adds an extra flavor of richness.
Yeah. That's what it was. Like if you have like a, what is them things called? Everybody eat them during the holiday. Red velvet. You know how like the richness a red velvet cake gives you? Like if you was to combine a red velvet cake with a brownie, that's what it tastes like. Cause it got that richness from the coffee. It's good. It's good. Y'all need to try that.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe and click the bell and set post notifications to all. I hope y'all enjoyed this triple chocolate pound cake. And y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.